Hey guys, a big hello, delighted to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to conduct a trading session. I will share with you an interesting and profitable trading strategy. Please, before we start, slap that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon not to miss my new videos. And if you drop me a line in my Telegram, you can pick up a link to register at PocketOption, through which you can get a 50% bonus to your deposit for free. So today I'm going to make a few trades and discuss in depth about the Bollinger Bands indicator and technical analysis methodology. The Bollinger Bands indicator is typically represented on the chart as a corridor created by three moving averages highlighted for ease of viewing. The basic idea is that when the price chart breaks through the boundaries of this corridor, either above or below, it signifies a level breakout from consolidation. When the corridor is wide, it suggests large price swings in the market. Conversely, when the corridor narrows, it indicates that the price chart will soon commence a consolidated directional movement. And we are experiencing exactly this situation at present. Let's keep tabs on the chart and catch this movement. As you can see, the candle on the chart has broken through the band, signaling an upward trend, prompting me to place a trade betting on an increase in value. The trade is set to close after 1 minute, matching the 1 minute intervals of my candlestick chart. Additionally, I've set up the stochastic oscillator indicator, which allows us to identify potential trend reversals. Right now, the oscillator points to an upward trend, corroborating the earlier breakthrough the band in the same direction. This time, I've placed a $33 bet, making up to slightly less than 1% of my total deposit. I make it a point not to place high bets, and I highly recommend the same to you, particularly to those who are new to trading. Adopting such an approach is crucial to risk management. Remember, not all trades will be profitable, especially not right off the bat. Take time to beat your strategy. As you grow more confident and successful, your deposit will gradually increase, and with that, so will your stakes and earnings. The trade has ended in our favor, generating a profit of $21.45. We've successfully capitalized on the movement depicted in this chart. Let's get some other ones. My choice is the Euro-Canadian dollar pair. Noticeable signs suggest a potential price movement in this pair as well. The chart has dipped below the lower band. Don't rush when trading and be wary of false breakouts. I'm hesitant here since the chart just recently took a sharp plunge. It's risky as the trend might reverse or it might become a sideways or range-bound trading. The next candle is showing an increase. It's not a risk I'm willing to take. Now let's shift our attention to another pair, the USD and the CAD. A similar scenario is unfolding here. The chart is also dipping below the band. However, prices rose slightly earlier. Therefore, a price correction could be on the horizon. The stochastic oscillator also signals a downturn. Alright, the next risk candle has opened and everything points towards a trend reversal leaning towards a decrease. I am initiating a trade. In technical analysis, trading using indicators, it's crucial to find a strategy that you're comfortable with and adhere to it consistently. Don't get sidetracked by fleeting movements. Instead, aim to identify signals with the highest level of certainty. If you're new to trading and decide to employ this strategy I'm demonstrating, look for instances where all signals are perfectly aligned. You have the option to analyze various charts or simply focus on one. Choose what works best for you. And always remember, in binary options, you are wagering on the future movement of the chart. Timing is a significant factor. If you identify a perfect trading moment but are a bit too late to the game, avoid taking the risk. You might run out of time and your trade might not turn out profitable, even if your analysis was spot on. Instead, wait for the next perfect moment to enter a trade. We've made a profit of $20.46. Now we'll look for another favorable entry point for a trade. I had initially planned to review other charts, but I will wait for it now. Currently, a strong green candlestick is forming. Despite this, the trend remains unaffected. The stochastic indicator still points to a downward trend, and the Bollinger Bands are expanding. This suggests that we could size another similar downward movement if the price does a deceptive break upward. In such case, I can also bet on further decline as it's almost inevitable. The price chart has retreated back to the channel we watch and wait. At this point, two situations can surface. The chart may stabilize within the channel, subsequently displaying an exit from the oversold zone in the stochastic indicator. Alternatively, the stochastic may linger in the zone while the chart breaks the channel again. In this case, I will execute another trade. The Bollinger Bands indicator serves more purpose than simply pointing out channel breaks. For instance, if the chart rebounds from the upper boundary of the channel, it implies that its trajectory will continue toward the lower boundary. One can also capture such grab moments. However, I wouldn't advise beginners to start with this approach. Take your time to understand the indicator and own your skills on obvious signals. In the meanwhile, we spot the next red candlestick with a full body. As anticipated, it's starting to break the channel. Let's confirm that it's not just another deceptive move. While I wait for another candlestick, it turns out to be red as well. It's time to enter the trade. This indicator is named after John Bollinger. He embarked on the creation of the system in 1984, a journey that took 7 years. Interestingly, Bollinger didn't start his career as a market analyst. Instead, he was a camera operator with aspiration of becoming a filmmaker. To make ends meet, he stumbled upon a temporary job at a financial TV program. While there, he became increasingly interested in what the resident analysts and guests had to say. His fascination with financial markets grew, prompting him to take financial courses. These were the stepping stones he needed to become an analyst at the same station. Ultimately, this path led to worldwide recognition in the financial field and substantial wealth. Everyone has a unique starting point. It's never too late to become a trader. His indicator now enables me to close deals with favorable outcomes. Well, friends, as you can see, trading using the Bollinger Bands system works. It's crucial to remember that any trading system is effectively only when you consistently adhere to its rules. Feel free to put it to the test yourselves. Thank you for watching this video. Hit this like button, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my new videos. And in the video description, you can find links to my personal Telegram and Telegram channel. On the Telegram channel, I provide daily trading signals. And if you write to me on the Telegram, you can get a link for registration on PocketOption, through which you can get a 50% deposit bonus for free. See you very, very soon.